it was freezing, and also another last minute fit, so basically another 90s fit, because I don't know, that's just my vibe lately, I guess. And I think it's appropriate because I have the 90s icon on me. So this is from the Selena Museum. I have the 90s style cargos from Levi's, and then I'm wearing my Pumas from TJ Maxx, and a white headband that my grandma gifted me years ago, and that's it. Alright, today I am bumming it out. I couldn't think of an outfit today, so I just played it safe, but just literally matching these Vans that I got from Journeys. Super cool. Anyways, so I paired it with these H&M sweats, and then just a Walmart long sleeve, claw clip, and that's it. Another cold day, another day in sweats, because I have no creativity lately. So I'm wearing the Juicy sweats that I thrifted, my Amazon sneakers that are in my storefront if you want them, Walmart tank top, this Ross jacket, this necklace, it says feminist on it, it's from Icing. I think this is too, not sure. These definitely are. And yeah, that's my fit. Simple, basic, cute, 90s y2k vibe per usual. Listen up, it's literally still fall, even though we want it to be Christmas, but it's still fall. So this is what I wore because today's kind of hot. Wearing this sweater vest that I thrifted. I added this iron on this patch from 𝗣𝗶හි𝘁𝗁𝗍𝗄. I'm wearing this Selected Salutation hair clip. This old skirt from Papaya has gold to match the Converse, the custom Converse, and Dollar Tree socks. Yeah, I didn't really add jewelry because I was running late, but this is the fit. I wish I would have added jewelry though. But alright, here was my outfit for today. I don't know, it's just simple but cute. I'm wearing the Pumas sneakers from TJ Maxx, and then the socks are from Forever 21, the Baby Glory vintage skirt, well, Walmart vintage skirt, and then Target's. And this shirt I thrifted. It says, why be racist, sexist, homophobic, or transphobic when you can just be quiet? Because why are we hating? Like, why? Why be a hater? Be a lover. Anyways, this is the fit. Okay. Alright, here's today's fit for today. I'm wearing the Icing earrings, the shirt from AliExpress, the Bratz pants from Target, and these Adidas that I thrifted. Super cute. And then that's it. Yeah. Okay, here is outfit number 2. This is kind of an outfit repeat of an outfit I already wore to school. If it seems pretty familiar, that's why. But it's just a different version of it, like a different font of it, really. Because that one was jeans and a tank top, and this is a bustier and a skirt. The denim bustier is from Ross, and my skirt is vintage faded glory, or vintage Walmart. Sorry. And then this necklace my grandma gifted me. This is Creepy One's jewelry. Use my code to get some money off, girlies, and then, or men, whatever. And then my Amazon boots that are in my storefront. I love these babies, they're so cute. And then this is the thing I made myself. I can't think of the word, but yeah, I made it myself. And yeah, this is the fit for today. Super fun and cute. Oh, and with my Levi's tote bag that is from literally just Levi's. And yeah, this was the final fit for today. Babes, I am bumming it out today because I wanted to wear my Uggs. I was like, it's kind of fresh but not cold, so let's wear the Uggs, right? Because they're so cute, and I don't wear them enough because I don't have a lot of clothes in these colors, so add that to my Christmas list. Add that to my Christmas list. But anyways, yeah, these cuties are from Ross. I'm wearing the Levi's cargos again because apparently I don't have any other black pants, so I need to invest in that too. Maybe, but I really should at least get like another pair. And then the Bratz shirt from Ross. So really my whole fit is from Ross, except the cargos of course are from Levi's. And I'm wearing, actually not my whole fit, because my accessories aren't. I'm just wearing a Dollar Tree hair clip, Walmart earrings, this bracelet I made, this bracelet my grandma gifted me, and then this one I made. And yeah, the Dollar Tree hair clip kind of sucks, so I don't recommend it unless you're gonna wear your hair like this, and even then you gotta like clip it in a certain way, otherwise it does not work. But yeah, this is the fit. Okay, listen, I know it's not cold, but I woke up cold this morning, so this is what I wear because I'm just not feeling it today. So yeah, I'm wearing these well, they're not even PJs, I wore them as PJs, but these pants I thrifted. My juicy boots from TJ Maxx, this Bratz t-shirt from Ross, the Ross jacket, icing earrings, and 5 Below hair clip, if it even matters. But yeah, that's it. Just simple, casual, warm, comfy. That's the vibe for today. Alright babes, I am sorry, I forgot to show you my fit. Y'all are lucky I didn't change out of it. But anyways, this is what I wear. It's pretty casual, just denim or whatever. Just mixing denims really. So I have my Ross jeans, super comfy and cute, and then my favorite disruptors from Foot Locker, Target belt, Walmart t-shirt, Steve Madden purse, Levi's silver tab, my parents' AliExpress. This is from the Powwow Festival. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Love. This was a gift, but it's from Amazon. I can link it in my storefront if you want, but I don't know, you gotta tell me, because honestly I'm thinking of getting rid of it because I don't know, it's kind of a lot of work. I don't feel like doing that anymore. Maybe, I don't know, I changed my mind. It's kind of like a lot of work but also not. Whatever. But yeah, this is what I wear. Okay, I'm not gonna, you know what, I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm not going to, because I know y'all like to know where I buy my stuff. Y'all, I don't know if I like love this fit, because it's just kind of like simple-ish, but I mean it's so cute. So I forgot to show y'all like a few outfits honestly already. I forgot to show y'all like a shopping outfit I think, and another one was like what I wore to go watch the new Hunger Games and stuff like that, but they were pretty casual, so you didn't really miss much honestly. And today's fit is like kind of casual too. I mean, casual considering like what I was originally gonna wear. But yeah, this is what I wore today for Thanksgiving, since I'm being forced to host. And yeah, so I'm wearing my Amazon Mary Janes, which are in my storefront if you want them, and then these Walmart tights. They're literally from the Halloween section. But I don't know, I feel like just tights with patterns never go out of style, just a matter of the time of year. I don't know, my opinion. I don't care if you agree or not, whatever. I also just like really bad wanted to wear them because hello, stars, moons, they never go out of style in my opinion. Anyways, so yeah, matching with the star earrings from AliExpress, and then just this top that I've had for a while. I think it's from Ross. I don't know, I've literally had it for years. I just literally don't style it that much for some reason, even though it's such a gorgeous pink. And then these leather shorts that are from Ross from like 1 or 2 years ago. I don't know. Yeah, this is literally a completely different direction from what I was gonna wear. The only thing that like stayed from the original outfit was the Mary Janes and the concept of leather. Okay, my hair is beyond messy right now, so we're gonna ignore that, but this is what I wore today. It's so comfy and cute, casual. Anyways, I'm wearing these Adidas I thrifted. They're so adorable. And then these thrifted men jeans. my Calvin Klein purse, and 𝗣𝗶හි𝘁𝘁𝗁 scarf because it's cold today, 𝗣𝗲. And then this Levi's trucker jacket, absolutely gorgeous. And this hat is from Amazon, it was a gift. And this Peanuts shirt that I got on clearance at Walmart, it was literally $3. What? And it's so cute. Just so adorable. But yeah, this was my fit without layers, obviously. But yeah, that's my fit for today. Alright, goodbye. Both my body and my bank account could figure. Thinking about me, but there's nothing to consider.